Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a cinematic storm bringer photo using Pippit AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you're going to open up Pippit AI website and you're going to sign in to get free credits. And then you're going to go to the home menu and you can add your prompt here. This is the prompt I'm going to use. And then I'm going to upload one of my photo. Wait. Okay, I'm going to use this photo. Okay, once you upload the photo, you can submit the photo and also the prompt, and just hold on. Something will be created by AI. Okay, and these are the results. Oh, so cool. I think I'm gonna go with this one. And if you want to download it, you can click on download. Or if you want to regenerate it, just select the regenerate menu right here. Okay guys, and that's how we can create a cinematic Stormbringer photo with Pippit AI. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you want to try it yourself, you can click Pippit AI join link on my YouTube description. And you can try to make any video or photo as creative as you can. Thank you so much for watching guys, and bye!